Dog toothpaste is important. It's not just for humans. If you use the best dog toothpaste, your pup will be less likely to have bad breath and dental problems. You may think that it doesn't matter which one you pick because they all do the same thing, but there are many different types of products out there with varying qualities. Some brands can even help cure oral diseases in small dogs like gingivitis and plaque buildup. The right type of product can make a world of difference for your pet, so watch on to find out more about how to pick the best one possible. Using the best dog toothpaste can ensure that your dog with good oral health keeps your dog's teeth plaque-free. High-quality toothpaste that is specifically formulated for canines is exactly what your furry companion needs. Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog toothpaste that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Arm & Hammer Dental Care Dog Toothpaste. What can be better than dog toothpaste that tastes like vanilla ginger flavor? The Arm & Hammer Dog Toothpaste is an enzymatic toothpaste that can prove to be your furry friend's best companion. You can not only control bad breath but also prevent odor from building up again with regular use. Apart from fighting bad breath, it prevents tooth decay, plaque, and tartar buildup, and also a lot of gum diseases to a good extent. This toothpaste is ideal for small and large dogs as well as puppies. You can also use it on cats. While targeting plaque, this toothpaste also strengthens and whitens your dog's teeth in no time. Even if your pet is a picky eater, he is sure to give in to the incredible taste of this toothpaste. The entire kit also contains a soft bristled brush to thoroughly clean and restore your dog's teeth. We recommend this product because of the wide range of pets you can cater to with this and the sheer ease of use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Nylabone Advanced Oral Care Toothpaste for Dogs. The Nylabone Advanced Oral Care Dog Toothpaste helps you to establish healthy oral practices for your canine companion. It significantly reduces the risk of developing dental issues. This can also go on to extend your dog's life because we are all aware that dental hygiene is directly linked to a greater life expectancy. If your dog loves a nutty flavor, both you and him are in for a treat because this toothpaste has a natural peanut flavor that makes it more acceptable for your pet. It also helps reduce the buildup of plaque and tartar effectively. The toothpaste contains Denta-C that has been known to reduce the formation of plaque. Plaque harbors bacteria and leads to dental issues. We recommend this product because most users have reported excellent dental health and hygiene after using it and a more compliant pet because of the flavor. At number 3, we have the Vet's Best Dental Gel Dog Toothpaste. Have you been looking for a natural way to enhance oral hygiene in your dogs? Well, the Vet's Best Dental Gel Dog Toothpaste can help with that. This dog toothpaste at hand ensures that your dog can fight plaque and tartar effortlessly with its regular use. It keeps teeth and gums healthy, and also freshens up your pup's breath. A lot of pooches have issues of very bad breath, and that tends to isolate them from peer groups. With the use of this dog toothpaste, you can expect your dog to have fresh breath all the time. This dog toothpaste uses natural ingredients like neem oil, grapefruit seed extract, enzymes, and aloe vera to keep your dog's teeth clean and shining. All these ingredients have antibacterial and antifungal properties that help in strengthening and brightening your dog's teeth. We also recommend this product because it is quite simple to use. All you need to do is use a brush or finger to apply the gel to your dog's teeth 2 to 3 times a week. To achieve the best results, you need to use this dog toothpaste 30 minutes before or after having food or water. At number 2, we have the Nylabone Advanced Oral Care Puppy Dental Kit. When you need a toothpaste that provides easy oral care, then the Nylabone Advanced Oral Care Dental Kit is your best choice. It leaves your pet feeling fresh with healthy dog teeth and gums and makes your tasks slightly easier to follow. When you establish a daily dental care routine, you go a long way in ensuring that your dog has lesser episodes of tooth decay. This toothpaste comes recommended by veterinarians to reduce plaque and tartar buildup. It also contains Denta C that reduces plaque that is generally caused by bacteria buildup. We recommend this toothpaste because we understand that dental care for plaque and tartar buildup could be a task, and we respect the efforts you put into it. This toothpaste will significantly reduce the time taken to remove tartar buildup. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nutrivet Enzymatic Dog Toothpaste. How about dog toothpaste that tastes like chicken and cleans like a pro? It might sound unreal to you, but the Nutrivet Enzymatic Dog Toothpaste is all that and more. The non-foaming formula ensures that it cleans effectively without having to rinse out your dog's mouth, because we are all aware of how adamant dogs and puppies can be about not letting water inside. The key components in the dog toothpaste work somewhat like this. Hydrated silica helps to remove plaque. Glucose oxidase breaks bacteria buildup and plaque. Sorbitol helps retain moisture. While cleaning the teeth and mouth of your pet efficiently, this dog toothpaste sets up a healthy routine for your pet by promoting a healthy lifestyle. It also encourages great dental hygiene because its incredible flavor makes your dog get used to the idea of brushing every day. We recommend this dog toothpaste because if your dog has gum problems such as plaque and tartar buildup, sensitive gums, or loosening of teeth, this special formula can take care of all these quite effectively. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.